What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back. Back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today, man. So y'all can see, got Red here behind me. I got hopefully a quick video for y'all, man. And basically what we're about to do is change this cross member and get a little more touch with one simple piece. And that's this right here. Before we start this video though, I gotta give a shout out, guys. I did not find this on my own. And I try to tell y'all, anybody who gives me an idea, I always try to shout them out and let them know I appreciate it. But my guy Boosted Yeti, guys, on Instagram, go check him out. The truck is freaking dope. She have way more followers than he do. Show y'all pictures right there while I'm talking. Definitely go give him a follow, go check him out. He the one who put me onto this. He actually has his in white. So, Boosted Yeti, bro, appreciate you, man. Y'all definitely go follow his IG page. Beautiful truck. I love his freaking truck and what he did with it. But yeah, it's just this little piece of plastic right here. And you basically gonna take it and we're gonna make our cross member right here pop out with a little more red. The only thing you need is some 3M. Get some 3M tape. They ran out of 3M. They only had the Scotch mount. So, but it's the roll. I just got some scissors and gonna cut it here. And yeah, that's it. You just cut it, 3M it, put it on there, and then paste it on the thing and stick it. So with that being said, here we go. The easiest way I found to get this in here, because there's blockage. It's easy just to come up. I think I came up through this hole right here. Show y'all real quick. Where is it at? Find the piece. Here it is. Just come up under here like that. Just put it in there. Yeah, and slide it in that way. That's the easiest way I found to do it. So here we go. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna take this and just measure my tape, how much I need. So another piece, measuring it, y'all can see. So I need about 2 strips. So here we go. Cut this. Ooh, it's sticky. All right, I'm not sure if you can add more than 2 strips to this because like a lot of it shows on the rough country. So really you only have like a small little section to put the 3M tape, so it's not too much to work with, to be honest with you. So I got both pieces of red tape on there. I put it to the very far edge. Now I'm just gonna peel off the backs here on both sides and then go ahead and stick it on there. So here we go. So the issue I'm running into is my strips. They're too thick. I need to trim them down some because they're still showing on the cross member. You can see the black, so I got to cut them down. Probably like maybe, I don't know, just cut them down a little bit. So let me do that right now. Okay, guys, I got 2 smaller pieces now. Let's give this a try and see what happens. I'm gonna put y'all on this side because I'm right-handed and this is making it hard for me to do it. Oh, dang, I just hit my head. Oh, dang. I just hit my head. Sheesh. Okay. Come all the way around here like that. So I got it on there. So now you just push for 60 seconds and hold it to let the adhesive stick.
A few moments later.
56, 57, 58, 59, 60. All right. Okay. What's this right here? It's rock. Okay, guys, I'm done. Got it on. Show y'all the look. Boom. There we go. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty dang good. Get y'all this far away. Oh yeah. Now the colors don't match, of course, because my truck is ruby red and this is like red, but it looks pretty good. As far as the install, guys, y'all just saw me do it. The hardest part is the piece is not the appropriate length. It is, but you have to be very precise. You can't put it all the way to the top like I thought. you have to be very precise about where you put it. If not, you're gonna be some space. I actually have a little space showing. You guys can't see it, but I'll show y'all. Like the top right-hand corner, right there. You know, it's just, the piece is big enough, but you have to be super precise with getting it lined up. You can't really tell though, looking at it this way. So it's fine. This piece just is not as big. I think it should be a little bit bigger. It will make the process a lot easier to install, because otherwise you have to get it lined up super, almost very, very close, perfect to get it lined up to fill that space. But otherwise, that's it. If it does fall off, you know, it's probably gonna get cut up in here. It just wouldn't fall straight down. So if you guys wonder where I got this from, there is a link in the description below. Got it from Amazon. I think they may come in different colors, I'm not sure, but I definitely will link it. If not, I'll probably take you to the whatever, you can find the colors there. But one more look at it, there y'all can see it looks pretty dang good. I will say, give y'all a full look with the full truck. Yeah, it looks pretty dang good. Definitely adds a little pop to it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Your boy Q. Catch y'all next one. Peace.